Hey guys, this is Ishita. So today I'm going to be reviewing about this brand name called Urban Colors. So the Urban Color is by Modicare, and Modicare is a consultant company like Oriflame, and they contain varieties of products from home care to wellness and food and beverage like Patanjali. So you can purchase their product by online by registering on their website, and from there I have purchased two products. First is 3-in-1 foundation and the second is one lipstick. So let's talk about the foundation first. Foundation contains vitamin E in it. It has powder finish and concealer and foundation in it. So I have been trying this product for 2 days straight, and I like this product. I'm not in love with it, but I like it. It is a light coverage. It wear off in 3 to 4 hours, but the plus sign is it doesn't get sticky or oily on my skin, because my skin is really very oily, and that's why I like this product. And the packaging is really very cute. It has mirror on this mirror chrome effect, and it has a good size mirror inside, and it has a compartment for sponge. And this product contains 9 gram. It retails for 750 rupees, but I have gotten in 15% discount, which is 637 rupees. And the second product which I have purchased from there is lipstick. So I'm not very pleased about their lipstick, because first of all, the price of their lipstick is 495 rupees, but again I got it in discount. It cost me around 420 rupees. But on my swatch, on my skin tone, is like chocolatey brown color, but on camera it looks oranges. But you can see the difference. Like on my lips it's straight up orange, but on my skin is pinkish orange color. But on the package it says Coco Feast. It's supposed to be brown in it, but you cannot see brown pigment. But the lipstick formula is nice. It is a cream finish lipstick. So that's it. You can purchase their product on website. I will link it down below. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it and give it a like. And if you want to suggest something, please comment down below. I am open for suggestions. And thank you for watching, and give it a like.